Hello, I'm Mark Rommel, owner of DMA Consulting, and I'm excited to introduce you to the Mo marketing system. If your business is a retirement plan or a stepping stone to something bigger, then I would like to help you grow the value of your business to reach your goals. I use the word value because building a glass house of quick one-time sales does not help the value of your company when you go to sell your business. This is not your typical digital marketing plan, financial planning effort, or sales plan. This is a low-risk, high-return marketing system that incorporates all areas of your business to grow a solid foundation. Mo Marketing integrates over 30 systems working together to get the best out of your company and your sales and marketing efforts. A couple of thoughts. If you spend money getting new customers but have no effort in retaining your customers, the end result's not going to make you happy. I have known companies like this. They have put all their money into sales, but they keep their customers only 2 months. Many SEO companies keep their customers 6 to 9 months, so they continually have to sell instead of working with their customers. Could your current structure even handle double the number of customers? I'm all for sales, but keep in mind it costs over 5 times as much to get a new customer as it does to keep a current customer happy. Mo Marketing works all sides of the business to get the most out of each area. It has been sad for me to see a business owner that have devoted their lives to a company. When it comes time to retire, they are left with nothing because they have not built a sellable foundation in their company. Through technology, we can increase your customer base, customer retention, and communication. So every new customer has significantly more value. As example, if you have 100 customers worth $125 a month for 7 years, that's over $1 million in income. Each customer is worth over $18,000. If you keep a customer only 2 months, they are worth $250. Or if you want 500 customers worth $25 a month, is still $1 million in 7 years. On each of the over 30 integrated systems we use working together in Mo Marketing to change your company forever. Each video will have ideas you can use in your business in an easy to understand presentation. I have not marketed my business in 30 years and have grown my business while raising a family. By combining these proven systems with sales, the results have produced in the low risk and high ROI Mo Marketing system. Hi, I'm Mark Rommel, a retired Air Force officer, 30-year programmer, a programmer of artificial intelligence, degrees in engineering and math, and obviously not a salesperson. The takeaway for me is I currently have over 40 customers where I help them in technology. My customer retention averages over 15 years. Those that have started using Mo Marketing have doubled their businesses. I hope these videos give you lots of ideas and help your business. Check back every week and look at my new videos and email me to get on my email list for new things coming out. If you would like a free get to know me session, please contact me. I would love to hear from you. Bye for now.